Welcome to Cursive Lesson 79. We're working on the high frequency words for constructed responses of justify and explain. First thing you need to do is put your heading on, your name, number, date. Then directions say to trace each word and use the dots provided to practice writing each word. So we're going to start with justify. We have an I, a T, and a J, a T, and an I. We need to dot the J and the I and cross the T, but we do that after the entire word's done. So starting dot, we slant up to the middle, retrace back down, we go below the line, loop back, and go up to the middle. Now we retrace down, up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace, go nearly to the top, retrace back down, up to the middle, retrace back down, go all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch. Now we're going to go curve up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Then we dot the J, cross the T, and dot the I. Okay, so here we're going to slant up to the middle, retrace back down, go below the line, loop back, cross. So there's our J. Now we're going to go into our U. We're going to slant up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle, retrace down. Now we have our U. We're going to go into our S. We're going to slant up to the middle. We make a point, curve around, touch, retrace. We have our T, our S, now our T. Slant up nearly to the top, retrace back down. Now our I, slant to the middle, retrace back down. Now our F, we're going to go all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch. We have our F. Now we're going to get our Y, we're going to slant up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, go below the line, loop back, cross, make your tail. Then we go back, we have to dot our J, cross our T, and dot our I. Okay, now with the capital J. So here's our starting dot, our capital J. We start at the bottom, we loop all the way to the top, forward, go below the line, loop back, cross. Now we go up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch. Okay. We retrace, slant all nearly to the top, retrace down, slant to the middle, retrace down, go all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch, curve up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, loop back, cross, make your tail, cross your T, and dot your I. So our capital J, curve around, touch the top, then we go back to our beginning dot, we go below the line, loop back, cross. So there's our capital J. Now our U, we go up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle, retrace down, there's our U. Now our S, we slant up to the middle, make a point, curve around, touch, retrace. Now our T, we slant up near the top, retrace back down. Now our I, up to the middle, retrace back down. Now our F, we slant all the way to the top, loop back, go below the line, loop forward, touch. Now our Y, we go up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, loop back, cross, make your tail. Then we go back and cross the T and dot the I. Okay, now the word explain. We will cross our X and dot our I after we complete the word. So starting dot, we slant up to the middle, loop back, cross, touch the bottom. Now go up to the top, down to the bottom, up to the middle, not the top. Now we're going to go retrace down, go below the line, loop back, we're going to go around, we're going to curve around, touch the bottom, touch the line, retrace, we're going to slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom. We're going to curve up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, complete your oval, retrace back down, up to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle. Now we can make our N. Touch the bottom, make your tail, then we go back and we cross the X and dot the I. So starting dot, we start with our E, so we slant to the middle, loop back, touch the bottom. Now our X, we're going to go up to the top, down to the bottom. Now our P, we're going to go up to the middle. I keep saying top, I meant middle. Retrace down, go below the line, loop back, come up, curve around, touch the middle, curve around, touch the bottom, touch that line to complete the oval. So now we retrace, we have our P. Now our L, we have to slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom. Now our A, we're going to curve up, retrace, touch the bottom, complete your oval, retrace back down, up to the middle. For our I, retrace down. Now we're going to curve up to the middle to make our N. Touch the bottom, make your tail, then we go back, cross the X, and dot the I. Okay, explain with a capital E. Starting dot, we're going to curve around, make a little loop, curve around, touch the bottom. I'm going to slant up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, go below the line, loop back, curve around, touch the bottom, touch the line, retrace, slant all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom, slant up to the middle, retrace back down, touch the bottom, complete your oval, retrace back down to the middle, retrace down, up to the middle. Now we can make our N, touch the bottom, make your tail, cross your X, and dot your I. Okay, starting dot. I'm going to curve around, make our little loop, touch the bottom. We're going to curve up to the middle, down to the bottom, up to the middle, retrace back down, go below the line, loop back. We're going to curve around and touch, retrace, go all the way to the top, loop back, touch the bottom. So that's our L. Now our A, we're going to curve around, retrace, complete the oval, retrace back down. Now our I, up to the middle, down to the bottom. Now our N, up to the middle, make our N, the tail, cross our X, and dot our I. Okay, now we've completed the high frequency words for constructed responses of justify and explain. Go ahead and practice more on the back, and thank you for joining me.